My name is Raquel, Salvatella de Prada, and I am an assistant professor of the practice. Corner is a video installations that I've been working on in the past 5 years. It represents the migrants leaving their home countries and trying to make an attempt to cross to Europe through Morocco. They travel, go to Morocco and tried to cross a 20-feet fence that takes them to Melilla and Ceuta, which are two Spanish enclaves in the northern Africa. In 2014, I started to read a lot of news about it in the Spanish newspapers. This is something that people don't know outside of Spain, and I want to make that message across in a different way. That would be a documentary, for example. So these two images completely blew my mind and made me realize I need to do something about it. What I'm envisioning is creating a structure that has a reminiscence of a Moroccan table because of its beauty and its craftsmanship, and then having over a dome which is going to be used as a projection screen, so the viewer can walk around the structure to view the visuals on the top. Inside the structure I have a short throw projector which will project onto the screen over here, and because, as I was mentioning earlier, it's not a flat surface, we have to work with the computer to make sure that the image is not distorted. And then within each panel, the designs will have the different engravings and also holes. So I'm hoping the light will shine through also, not on the top, but also through the different panels. The final goal of the project for me is to reach people that would not read or get across this information other way, that might be interested in seeing contemporary art or different ways of culture, of social topics that we have, but that they will not get across with reading the newspapers or watching a documentary. Whether it's this topic or some other, like we have it close, and is there anything we could do to help? Right? It doesn't have to be specific for this project, but for anything that's happening around us. So have it in the mind, think about it, and help other people if possible. Yeah. And how beauty also is not just about, it is about what's happening to them, but it's also about these people want a life too.